Previously on our video, na-review na natin itong Redmi Book 15 and it has a Core i3, it has a 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and sinabi ko sa inyo na guys, this is probably perfect for mga online schooling, online conferencing, or for whatever activities online, kayang-kaya nitong Redmi Book. But of course, sometimes gusto natin to squeeze out a little bit more. Alamin natin kung kaya pa niya mag-expand ba ng memory and storage. Check natin. This is a teardown na video. Panoorin natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So sabi ko sa inyo, this is the Redmi Book 15 na Core i3 series. And ito ang kanyang mga stickers sa likod. And I don't see any Windows na sticker dito, but they claim that it has a license na Windows 11 na single language. And today, we're going to open it with my Wiha na screwdriver. So this is one of the screwdriver na binili natin from Xiaomi Yopin in China. So, isi-switch on lang natin. Yan. Okay, so what I like about this one is may pailaw pa siya. And andito kanya storage ang lahat ng bala na kailangan ko. And there's another one na nandito. So, dalawang storage na, which is very handy. And of course, plus some LED lights dito that might come in handy habang nag-tear down tayo. So, simulan natin. So, 1 screw. 2 screws. 3 screws. 4 screws, 5 screws, 6 screws, 7 screw, 8 screws, 9 screws. And after natin matanggal lahat ng screw, ingatan lang natin, no? Dito natin ibubuksan sa ibabaw. Unti-untiin natin, no? Marinig mo mag-snap siya. Okay? May mga ngipin lang yan na kailangan mo ingatan before you can take it off. Yan. This is the internal ng Redmi Book 15. So, pagmasdan lang natin isa-isa. So, this is the battery pack ng Redmi Book 15. So, it's a 3,220 mAh or 48 Wh. And ang model niya is R14B01W. So, in case na you need to replace your battery, this model ang kailangan nyo hanapin. On this side, this is the speaker. And on the other side, this is the speaker. So, yung dalawang speaker, nakakonect siya dito sa board using this clip. So, itong terminal na to, itong dalawa is connected to the battery directly. So, if you want to replace this one, all you need to do is to unscrew this one, pull off itong dalawang plug, and you're good to change. So, kita natin, this is the SSD storage, which is a 256 gig of storage. So, let's just say na gusto natin i-expand to a 1 terabyte. So, I have here is the Seagate na FireCuda 530. So, gusto lang natin i-try. Hindi natin i-mount kung gagana dito sa ating Redmi Book 15. So, this is how it looks like. So, I believe na in case kailangan natin tanggalin, most likely, hindi siya ubra dito kasi hindi natin masasara. So, tingnan natin kung kaya natin tanggalin itong case. So, remove lang natin to quickly. So, using a screwdriver. Okay, tanggal na natin. So, this is the default. Actually, I haven't really heard of this brand 4C, which is sobrang nipis na ito, no? I mean, we know the quality. So, salpakin lang natin to, no? Ating FireCuda na 530. So, let's see. And yeah, definitely fits. So, all I need to do is to screw it in. But problem is, hindi ko masasara tong case. Which is dahil sa kanyang heatsink, which is medyo makapal. So, this is more of a desktop usage. But if makalas naman natin to, yung nga lang medyo makita natin may mga maiwan mga double-sided tape. So, I don't think it's a good idea to remove yung case niya, no? Kasi it's built to be like this. But definitely, you can always buy other models from Seagate na 1TB for expansion. And I'm sure na mas lalaki ang storage ng yung Redmi Book 15. So, ibalik lang natin. All we need to do is just plug it in. Itama lang natin ang screw. And balik lang natin. So, checking other parts, this is the fan. These are the copper tubes na para sa heatsink niya. So, this is the LAN port. Ito yung mga USB port niya. This is the audio jack. Ito naman, I believe this is the wireless LAN. And dito nakatago ang kanyang processor, which is a Core i3 from Intel. So, ito yung kanyang copper tube traveling over here para sa cooling. So, this one is pang power in, dalawang USB-A port, and this is the HDMI port. So, looking at this board, after checking this board for quite a while, so as tinatry ko hanapin ang kanyang DDR4 na slot, kanyang RAM slot. So, nakasulat dito, clearly, this is the DDR4 slot. So, there's two here. So, most likely, nakasolder dito is dalawang 4 gigs or probably isang 8 gigs of RAM. So, making the total here inside a 8 gig of RAM. So, apparently, this is a non-expandable na RAM dito sa Redmi Book na 15. So, sorry to burst your bubbles. Ang pwede mo lang i-expand is yung kanyang storage. But the RAM, no expansion. So, guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa quick teardown ng Redmi Book 15 na Core i3 variant. So, ang only pwede mo i-expand dito is this one. Ang kanyang storage, SSD storage. But sorry to burst your bubble, pero hanggang 8 gigs lang ang kanyang maximum na RAM. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga teardowns like this one here sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?